Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. The Cunning Bats. Many years ago, the members of the forest did not have any king. The animals said, "The lion must be the king of this jungle," while the birds said, "The hawk must be the king." There were many discussions and debates, but no final decision could be taken. The bats were cunning. They approached the animals and said, "Since we too are animals, we would like our dear lion to be the king." The bats then went to the birds. "Since we are birds, our dear hawk must be made the king of this forest. He is so royal and dignified," they said. One day, the birds came to know that the bats were not honest. So, the birds and the animals made peace with each other. The lion was chosen as the king. The king addressed the bats. "You must choose the group to which you belong." The bats felt helpless. They just stood there, not knowing what to do. Since then, the cunning bats have been hiding during the daytime in deserted places. They come out for food only at night when others are asleep.